Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Dustin Lukey.
And I'm Heather Armstrong. On Tuesday, Wisconsin voters will be going to the polls for the April spring election.
One of the issues to be decided, whether or not to amend the state constitution as it applies to setting bond for those charged with a crime. Now, News 19's Roger Staffaroni spoke with local experts about bail issues and specifically, Roger, how cash bonds currently work.
Dustin, if you're arrested for a crime, one of the first things that follow that arrest is a bond hearing. And if it's a cash bond, the set amount of money releases you from jail with the expectation you will return for your next court date. But now voters will be asked to consider amending the state constitution, which could lead to higher cash bonds, keeping people with little or no money behind bars before they get their day in court.
The legislature is just working on that issue. I know there's some proposals to change that, but for right now, bond is just to make sure people appear in court. It's not to punish them before they're sentenced.
Bond is not intended to be punishment. Again, innocent until proven guilty. In speaking with one attorney regarding bond, he said you should be held in custody only if you're a flight risk or an absolutely dangerous person.
Okay, Roger, what about some of the additions we sometimes hear about on top of monetary bail?
Yeah, Dustin, the cash bond may also contain specified conditions such as a no contact order or no drinking. And if those conditions are not met or the accused does miss a court appearance, an arrest warrant is issued. Dustin?
All right, Roger, thanks. The amendment on next week's ballot looks to enhance a judge's ability to take public safety matters into account. And tonight at 10, a look at some of the current cases where high cash bonds have been issued.